Hello, and welcome to the TV room. This is a PET Model 4016, but it has been upgraded to 32K. And this is the one that has always worked just dandy through this whole testing. And then I swapped out the 555 chip, and I did the same with the capacitor. And it's doing something different now. Just a moment, we're going to pull out and twist up and get a good look at the screen. Turn this on. Indeed, we have the diagnostic board in here. So now, we are twisted. So now it says reset. I lost it now. Reset stuck low. And that is not what it was doing before. Now, it is going through the diagnostics. It is. That's always good. And indeed, it is accurately saying what's what. But I'm going to have to get this resolved, and I'm going to have to get the PET next door resolved. Anyway. This all happened because I decided to torture a disk drive. And in the end, the PET got sick. And I brought up another PET. And I've ripped out half the RAM chips, well, delicately desoldered them, and replaced them with sockets. And we're back. You know what, I'm going to turn this off for a second. So you can see, indeed, that it says reset stuck low. So I suspect something is up with that capacitor. I suspect. And yes, as I said in my other video where we looked inside the machine, this does have a way of... I mean, I never should have taken that out. I just should not have. But anyway, I swapped them between the machines. I should have just got new ones. I should have. And also, I can't find my really strong glasses. I'm not sure where they are. I will try and find them, because who knows? Maybe there's a little bit of solder between them. The connections are so close together. Anyway, I will see. Anyway, so, I don't think I've done tremendous harm, but still, I've got to figure this out. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. And if you have any thoughts, any insights, any wisdom, I would love to hear it. Thanks again for coming. Bye for now.